So we will cover sync async operations, what is streams, async code using streams, and type of streams. So let's get started. What is a sync operations? Suppose you are at a bank waiting in a queue for your turn to come so that you can withdraw money. However, there are some people ahead of you and they are filling form right at a counter itself. And until they finish, you have to wait. So in the sense, you are blocked until they finish and you are waiting in a queue. So each person turn will come one by one. So it will lead to slowness. So how will manager streamlines it? So let's turn to async operations. So bank manager makes some guidelines. You take a token, fill in a form, we will announce a token number. You come and deposit your money or withdraw. So now you are not blocked. You can take token, fill form anywhere, go outside, have tea and come back. This is async operation. Similar example could be you order a food from Zomato and you do cleaning of house, watch some movies till it comes, and when it arrives you can have your food. So now let's know about streams. Stream is a sequence of async data that helps to get multiple values over time asynchronously. Here, Jane and Natasha are communicating over a cell phone. Jane starts speaking, Natasha can listen to her and respond accordingly. However, once Jane stops speaking, Natasha won't be able to listen to anything. So let's understand with the help of mobile tower as a stream. Stream is already present here in the form of mobile tower and its connections. So Jane says, "Hi Natasha." Value is now pushed into the stream and Natasha listening to her receive that value. Jane again says, "We'll meet you today." This message is also pushed to the stream and Natasha received it. Now Jane went away from phone. So nothing pushed into the stream and Natasha at other end could not get any message. This is the same scenario with a stream. If a stream has a data, listener can listen and they have to wait until the next stream data arrives. So when stream doesn't have a data, they will stop sending values. So listener don't get any messages. So there are two types of streams, single subscription stream and broadcast stream. So let's understand the first one. These are the streams that can only be listened only once. Consider a scenario. You receive an OTP via SMS. You can use it only once. If you try again, it's invalid. So you cannot reuse it or forward it for later use. So let's understand the code. Earlier, we used a stream of messages while Jane and Nat were communicating over call. Here we are creating a stream of integers like numbers. And next, we are creating a stream of 5 numbers using the loop. If you notice, async star is a special keyword here used for a generation of streams, while yield is used to push those numbers on the stream. You can only listen to the stream only once. If you try to listen twice, bad state, stream has already been listened, error will be thrown. Now let's understand broadcast streams. Consider a scenario of YouTube live streams. A creator goes live on YouTube. Thousands of viewers join and watch at the same time. They may join late but still catch the current state of the stream. In order to create a broadcast stream, call as broadcast stream method on single subscription stream. If we check the code, it is similar to the previous one, but we just have to call add broadcast stream method on that stream. So in the output, we can check multiple listeners are able to listen to the stream. If you like this video and you want to receive updates on future videos, do subscribe to our stream of videos. Thank you.